Welcome to the second part of the video presentation of the Schrödinger LiveDesign Connector for BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot by Discngine. This video shows how Pipeline Pilot developers can design and register protocols for further execution in the LiveDesign environment. We will use the protocol cluster molecules as an example for this tutorial. This protocol adds new live report columns containing clustering information and displays a gallery of cluster centroids.
Let's look at the component collections required for the Pipeline Pilot gadget. The components are available in the Discngine folder. At the protocol runtime, these components will programmatically execute API calls to execute LiveDesign commands. For example, some components can add or remove various columns, read a live report's content, or generate a new live report from scratch. Now let's look at the protocol itself. The first component handles security. It will ensure the calls to the LiveDesign API will be made with the connected LiveDesign user credentials. On the second line, the first part of the protocol reads data from LiveDesign and creates molecular clusters. Then, the top branch will prepare commands for LiveDesign to add the clustering information columns. The bottom branch prepares the gallery of cluster representatives. Here we use the standard reporting collection components. The parameters of the clustering algorithm are exposed at the protocol level. This will enable end users to configure the settings from within LiveDesign. Once the protocol is saved in the XML-DB, it must be registered to be visible in the Pipeline Pilot gadget interface. The registration process happens in the gadget itself by opening the registration page from the plus button in the top bar. After selecting the protocol, the Pipeline Pilot gadget automatically generates the form elements required to capture end-user parameters. Then, we will define how the protocol should appear in the top menu bar. From there, any user connected to this LiveDesign environment can select and run the protocol.
Thank you for watching this presentation of the LiveDesign Connector for Pipeline Pilot. You can reach out to us using this email address, connector@discngine.com.